Hello everyone, this is Adit back again with another video. So in this video we are just going to learn about PostgreSQL, and we are not going to learn completely about it, but in this video we are just going to go through the introductions of PostgreSQL, and in the way I'm also going to show you how to install PostgreSQL in your Node.js application and how you're gonna use it. So first thing first, and first thing that we're gonna do over here is installation, and of course mine is already installed, but I will make you I'll just walk you through this, how to install it, the PostgreSQL in this operating system, and in iOS operating system basically. So what we're gonna do is first thing, you have to visit the PostgreSQL, and then you go to download. Instead of download, you just have to open select this select your operating system. Mine is Mac OS, so I'm going with this. Instead of Mac OS, you have basically 3 to 4 options, I guess. I have tried these two, but I haven't tried these Mac ports and like Fink. So I don't know. You guys can give it a try. But for now, I'm just gonna show you with Postgres app, because I think this is the easiest one. I just click on this Postgres app, and this takes you to postgresapp.com, and here what you can do is go to downloads, and you can download this one or this one. This one is quite large, since it supports 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and all of them. But as I have installed, this one is smaller in size, so I kind of installed this one in my Mac OS. So yeah, you can just download it by clicking over here. Once this get downloaded, here we have this file gets created inside your download. You can just double click it and install. After the installation, you will get this app in your Finder, and once you click on that, you will have to start your server. So mine is once you just open the window, it will start the server, and you can just stop it from here, or just start again. Just stop it like this, and you can just start it again. I have already these 4 database created, and you can just close this, and you can do the server settings as well. Like my name is PostgreSQL 14, and yeah. So right now the server is started, and the next thing what you need to do is set up an environment variable for PostgreSQL. To set up the environment variable, I'm using these two like items. I'm using item as my terminal, and OMA.jss for, I hope you already know about OMA.js, and yeah. So if you have already OMA.js, then you to add the path variable, what you have to do is just open okay. So to open the JSHRC, I kind of forgot the path, so let's see. Yeah, so so first you have to navigate to home, I guess, and there when you just ls, you can go inside ls minus al, sorry, ls l, and here you will have to find this .shrc. We're gonna need to edit this file .shrc, so just open .shrc. Yeah, and here you're gonna need to put this path variable, and to get this path of the PostgreSQL, what you can do is just open this Postgres and click any of this database. This will open a terminal, and inside the terminal you will have to find this path. Okay, you can just copy it and remove this Psql. Since we don't need this, we just need till bin, and you can just add it over here, like I have added path, and this complete. And after that you can just exit this JSHRC vim by using colon wq and enter, something like this. wq, here I have written wq, and just enter. So you just have to exit the vim. Sometimes it becomes really difficult for the one who are not familiar with the vim, so that's why I just wanted to point it out. So after adding the path variable, you will just have to access PSQL just by inside your terminal using PSQL, and you can just type let's type help. Okay, so PSQL, okay, PSQL is version maybe so version. So this shows that PSQL is PostgreSQL is installed in our system, and once this is installed, now what we're going to do is so the installation part is done, and now we'll just list out all the database that we already have in our PostgreSQL. So to view all the database that we have, we can just press slash and L. I think this will be like this one. Oh, sorry. First we need to move into PSQL terminal, and there we can just pass L, and this will list out all the database that we have. Like here, this is the honor, and this Postgres. By default, when you install Postgres, they will give you this user with the name Postgres. You can create another user, and yeah. So after all this, I'm going to show you how to create. So what we're going to do is first thing is let's try to create a database inside the PostgreSQL. To create a database, what we just create database, and let's create a database called I don't know, just some books. Okay, and then semicolon. So in the PostgreSQL, their syntax is usually you use capital letters, uppercase letter to denote them, and for normal words like for books, we're just using lowercase. And you can use the lowercase for create database as well. It will work completely fine, but usually it's I mean, it will help you to distinguish between the SQL commands and the command that you are putting in. Okay, so this will be helpful. Okay, now I just hit the enter, and it will create the books database. So let's hit the enter. So it is showing create database. That means the database is created, and to view the database you can just slash L, and this will show books database. Here this is the books database, And now to change, to move to the books database, currently we are inside this Aditya Kumar, this database. But to move to books database, what we're going to do is just slash c and books and hit enter. So now let me just clear this out first. Okay, I can clear it. So I think I need to reduce the size of the terminal. So now here it is showing that you are now connected to a database books at a user Aditya Kumar. Okay. Inside the database, we can create a table as well. To create a table, what we're going to do is well, before creating a table, let me show you how to delete a database as well. So to delete a database, what we're going to do is first of all, I just to change to Aditya Kumar, this database. Okay, and now we can just drop the database, drop database books. And don't forget to use the semicolon. It's kind of necessary to use it over here. Otherwise, the SQL will think that you haven't terminated this command yet, and and later on I will show you what will happen if we don't use the semicolon over here. You will definitely get to know about that as well. So once you hit the enter. Okay, so basically here we have run the clear command and we didn't terminate it, and that's why it is still getting triggered over here. So what we're going to do is just run this command again and this will work. So this gives an error, and after that we run this command again and this is working completely fine. So drop database, this was the database is dropped. You can just list out, and you can see there is no database called books anymore. Let's create a books database again. Oh, and I kind of missed the semicolon over here, and that's the reason. If I run this command again, create database books, and now I'm putting the semicolon, still it won't work, since these both commands are getting triggered at the same time, and that's why it is throwing an error. So now what I'm going to do is create database books and then semicolon and then hit enter. Okay, so I kind of made a spelling mistake, so let's do that again. Database books semicolon and hit enter. So the database is created now, and you can just run this command and you can see here the database is created. Now we'll move to books database, and we have switched to books, and inside that what we're going to do is like next thing is I'm going to create a table. Okay, so let's create a table, and we are creating this table inside this books database. That's why this table will be created inside the books database. So let's run the command, create table, and books inside the table, here we need to add a table name, and table name, let's say story books, sounds much better. Okay, and we are not going to terminate this command over here, since we need to post and since we need to add more options inside it. So to add the options, you can just id. Okay, and this id will be big serial, since big serial is a data type in PostgreSQL which help you to automatically increment the id. You don't need to do it manually. So yeah, and after that this will be not null and primary key, okay, and comma. Now just hit the enter, and then second one will be the title. Okay, this will be for sure just a character of about and here just this 50 is basically the length, and this will also be not null. It's not a nullable. Just and then content, so we var char, and content could be like let's give it 120, and this also be not sorry null. Okay, and this is it. We just want 3 fields inside this table. This one will be the ID, title, and the content, and after that just add the semicolon and hit enter. So the table is created, and to view the table what we'll do is you can just slash d and the table name story books and hit enter. So you will have to see the table over here. The first one is the begin, and second one is of type character varying 50, so this is not null. Content character varying 120, not null. Okay, and for indexes we are using primary key at here. So this is how you can create a table inside a database using your terminal. We are none of the thing that we are doing over here is a graphical user interface. I kind of it's kind of good only to use the terminal. Yeah. So this is it for this video. In the next video I will walk you through how to connect this database with the Node.js application and use SQLizer ORM to query the data, insert the data, and everything. Yeah, so this is in the next upcoming video we will also look into the how to insert the data inside the database by using terminal, and after that we will move to Node.js application. So if you like the video, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.